Hi elegant viewers, and welcome back to another property tour. Today we are in the sunny Charente, southwest of France, with Nakul, a local expert, to present you this amazing property. But before that, before we dive in, Nakul, can you let us know what this area is all about, the Charente?
Yes, of course. Hi Cyril. In the Charente here, we are in a lovely part, almost in the foothills of the Massif Central. As we start to go up a little bit, you are in a very quiet part of France. There's not many people living around. You are not far from the city of Angoulême, about 35 minutes away. You are between two lovely market towns, La Rochefoucauld and Montbron. La Rochefoucauld has a beautiful chateau. And here, near the house as well, we have the river Taudois. You go towards Montbron and you have a lovely Maison de Maître, so you can go canoeing on the Taudois as well.
So, in terms of location, it ticks all the boxes. Access to Paris within 2 hours, something like that. Access to Bordeaux in less than an hour. 30 minutes to Angoulême, 40 minutes to Bordeaux. You're good to go.
Exactly. And you have the beaches of Royan as well. They are just 2 hours away. For people coming from abroad, you have the international airport at Limoges, which is about 1 hour away.
So, Nakul, can you tell us more about the property itself?
The property is set in a small hamlet, not far from amenities. It is in a very unique position in that you have almost no near neighbors. There's no people to overlook. You're in a very private setting. You have the river just down there. The house has been beautifully renovated inside, outside as well, as you can see from the lovely stone terrace. The rooms are a very nice large size. The bedrooms, each of the bedrooms are probably about 50 square meters each. Very spacious with the loft that's been done as well. You have a very large pool behind, 15 by 6 meters, direct access to the river. And for me, most important of all, what I really love about it is that you have peace and calm and a beautiful view out over the valley over there.
I mean, it's unobstructed view. You will never get any neighbor in sight.
Nope.
Panoramic view. And we are on top of a small hill overlooking the river, which is probably 20 to 30 meters below us. We'll never get flooded.
You're right. Yes, with a nice commanding view out over the valley. Yeah, that's it. Commanding view, yes.
This property has a soul, really. A deep soul. I mean, you enter here and straight away you're blown away with the light. The circulation inside, outside of the property is quite remarkable. And having those volumes you were mentioning, which we'll see in a minute, I've barely never seen in a property of that size in this area such comfortable volumes. I mean, that contributes to the atmosphere. All rooms are really nicely sized. That's not like tiny small rooms. It's high ceilings, superb beams, absolutely renovating.
Yeah.
Everything's new. I mean, it doesn't look like, because all the original character parts have been preserved and properly renovated, I would say.
It's been used, well maintained. It's beautiful. One thing also I wanted to mention, they say space is the ultimate luxury. You have lots of space here, more than you could wish for. The property is on a plot of 5,000 square meters. And, if you're a fan of outdoor walks, swimming, etc., you have the river, you have paths and so on. It's great.
Nakul, what's your favorite thing about this property?
Right. Favorite thing, I really like the view out of here. The peace and quiet. Also, I do like the barn, the large barn that you could do something with. That could be renovated to increase the habitable space. Looking around you, you could easily be somewhere in another part of France or even in Italy.
Yeah,
you could easily be in Provence with the trees, the view, the calm, the way the house looks with this terrace. It's a south-facing terrace, so you will have sunshine throughout the day in the summer. I just imagine having breakfast out here. I think that would be my most favorite thing.
Oh, to be honest, we had lunch here, so you can easily imagine breakfast, because we just had lunch with the current owner. And we have to say that the current owner, she has been here since 1991.
Correct. She's been here about 40 years.
And basically, she really loves that place. So she's not selling because she doesn't like the place. But honestly, yes, you live here, you just want to stay forever in this place like that.
Yes, and she wants to give someone else the chance to enjoy this really beautiful, exceptional property.
I think the renovation has been spread over how long?
I think maybe 10 or 15 years. She has done the renovation work. It's been very nicely done inside. It's a good mix of of old world charm with the stone walls, the wood beams, the stone floor.
How you mean Pizé, the Pizé floor?
Yes.
Okay, or in the lounge is incredible.
Yeah.
Those stones are incredible. That's quite rare. You don't see that everywhere.
No.
And
There's not many properties that still have such a lovely floor that is still intact. That's rare.
this alone makes a lot of the charm of the interior when this light comes through those large windows and hits those stones. It makes such a nice reflection. It's beautiful.
Yeah.
It's beautiful. Honestly, it's a stunning place.
It's really suited for very nice indoor and outdoor living because you've got so many windows and doors that you can come in and out of to just move around, and it's not a space that makes you feel that you are being closed in on. It's really wide open space, lovely big walls.
You can cross the place in every direction. And you can
Exactly.
come forward, left side. Circulation is so convenient. The circulation is just magnificent. We have a beautiful staircase in the middle.
A stone staircase.
So staircase. And the garden is lovely on that side. The sides of the pool is quite amazing. 15 by
15 by 6 meters. Yep.
and
Chlorine pool, but again, if you're here on holiday or even if it's your permanent home, imagine lounging by the pool with nothing to worry about.
so we access the property from a lane, which is a beautiful lane surrounded by
Tree-lined lane,
green, right?
which only comes to this hamlet. It's not a through road. You are far away from any passing traffic. There is just one other house in the hamlet, and that is a second home for someone who is hardly ever here.
So we know that at least those two big thick walls, because of the elements that are still there, and we can clearly see that this one was a sort of tower, probably on the left. So these are probably the oldest parts of that house. Can't really tell if it's 13th, 15th century, but the main house itself.
I would say the main house is probably from the 16th or 17th century. There are certainly parts that are older. There is some documentation that leads the current owner to believe it's at least 16th or 17th century. You have lovely big stone fireplaces, you have huge oak beams, ceilings, you have the lovely floor that we've talked about already, and also you have on the first floor lovely high ceilings, plus a lovely attic that has been fully renovated to create 2 bedrooms, 2 ensuite bedrooms up there.
Speaking about the upstairs, can you tell us the layout of each floor?
You've got a living space of about 300 square meters, set over 3 levels. The ground floor, you have an entrance hallway, you have a large kitchen on one side, and you have a large lounge with a big stone fireplace, open fireplace on one side. In between and just under the stairs, you also have a small lavatory. A lovely stone staircase up to the first floor, where you have 3 bedrooms and 2 bathrooms. One of the bathrooms is actually within one of the bedrooms, so it's in a small corner where you have a freestanding bath and a wash basin, and the other side there's a purpose-built bathroom with a shower cubicle in there. The house is rented out as a luxury gîte. The previous owner used to market this within an English website, which is looking at luxury holidays in France. But now she has decided to move away from this business, and she is now putting the house up for sale.
So Nakul, what do people need to know if they want to ask questions to you or organize a viewing?
The property is on the Leggett website. Come to my webpage on the website.
The link is in the description.
And the link is in the description for this video. There is also extra photos. There's a full description that explains the layout of the house. I can provide you with all the information that you need, diagnostic reports, the drainage system reports, an overhead view.
Any technical aspect.
Exactly.
Anything which is not in this video, basically.
Exactly.
Don't forget also to drop a comment or a question below this video. I mean, we also try to help directly on YouTube. We will forward any question as well to Nakul.
Yep.
And if you want Nakul to organize a viewing, he'd be super happy to tour you around this lovely property and the area. And I think that's it for today. It's time for us to leave you.
Thank you very much. I hope you've enjoyed this lovely property, and I look forward to hearing from you soon. Thank you. Bye-bye.